Hi everybody. We had a request about our OWL Trio fused applique process, and we do all of our fused applique process similar or the same. First thing you do when you're trying to assemble is you take regular tracing paper. I get the tablets at any craft store, any tracing paper. And you will be making, using your template included in your pattern, you make what we call tracing paper doors. I have one for each. All I did was trace with a fine tip Sharpie for the door. Placement door, if you will. So we're going to show how Kate does this process step by step. So our templates do say that they are mirror image already. And the owls themselves are pretty symmetrical, so it doesn't matter too much. But if you want the eyes to go a certain way, just make sure that when you put your tracing paper down, you have them going to the correct direction. Again, this is for placement, these tracing paper doors. We have put our 11-inch square of Riley white for the background down on top of our pressing surface, and we're just going to pin the door so that all the pieces are secure and nothing shifts. So we already have our pieces fused and cut out and cooled, which makes it much easier to remove the paper backing. You can use tweezers to help shift your pieces under your placement. Once you're ready, once you like where it's positioned, you're ready to fuse. You'll want to do that according to the manufacturer's recommended. Ours says 10 seconds at least. We did make a decision not to add a colorful eyeball on this particular owl. So we went back and forth on color choice, but did go back to our original yellow ticket blender from our Journal Basics from Riley Plate Designs. On our black text applique fabric, we did fussy cut a heart to the right, so we're only going to add the detail for his wing on the one side. Hope this helps.